Hi, this is my makeup tutorial. First thing that I do, I had to go get everything because my room's fucking disgusting and like, I keep forgetting to clean. Take off my makeup with these. These are from Walmart. Oh, not that yet. Next thing I do is I do one of these, viewer strips. I don't have the box anymore because I'm a dysfunctional person. No spons, but then I'll take this. That is also Walmart brand. The most hydrated I have ever been. So then we get to start on my actual makeup. All my bangs and whatnot. And you may be wondering why I have 2 scrunchies. Because I do. First thing makeup-y that I do would be
I don't know. Probably
wet your beauty blender. That's what you do. You're going to take the Too Faced concealer foundation. Too Faced concealer that you have.
Shape Tape. Who knew? It says it right there on the bottle.
You've had it for so long and it's so empty and dried the fuck out. A little bit that you did get on the tip, and you'll just put it, you know, accordingly. Just take whatever you can get off of it, you know, and do that. Spread that shit all around your face. But you're probably wondering why I put the foundation concealer on top of my eyebrows. Well, if you haven't noticed, my hair is very light compared to my eyebrows. To fix that, and that's how we're gonna do it. And I'm not gonna even do my eyebrows today. Tonight, it's literally like 10 o'clock at night. I'm not going anywhere. Normally, I would do my eyebrows right now, but seeing as we're not doing that today, I guess I'll just go eyeshadow. No, mascara. Curl my lashes before I put on mascara.
Just squeeze your eyeballs out of your skull. Okay.
So Shelby just got here. This is me.
Is it in this room at least? It's in the room. I just don't know where. Look in my drawers, I would assume.
No, I have to like, I just... So this is a part of the video where I get completely judged for something that I do within my makeup routine. That is, I take my old crusty ass mascara and then I take my hot straightener, and I actually started this at Shelby's house with her hair dryer. Mascara, and I do this until it's hot enough to where I can't touch it.
Bye. You'll do great. You're already doing great. It's gonna be great.
Excuse me. So take your heated up straightener mascara and you're gonna apply it to your eyelashes like so.
And then, oof.
But yeah, so once you curl them, next you're going to do eyeshadow, which means that we start with the It Bye Bye Under Eye tiny little tube that you did not pay for because you got it in an Ipsy bag. Start with that.
There you go.
So you're going to take whatever brush that you just cleaned off with the palm of your hand and just spread that white paste around your eyelid.
Yeah. I think that's pasty enough.
I'm a quick, easy makeup gal. Like, I use one or maybe at the most I will use 3 eyeshadow colors and 1 brush. This one, this nice modern Renaissance one that is not destroyed or beat up in any way, and it is absolutely gorgeous. Wow, let's all look at its beautifulness. Okay, this orange color, we're still gonna go bright colors because why not? The orange one, the bright orange one.
Off your brush for whatever reason that you want to do that. Because why would you
just put it, you know, in the shape of whatever I'm doing. Great. See how nice that comes out? So once you do that with the eyeshadow or whatever, you're going to take this Revlon Photo Ready Eye Art situation. You take the brush that you used to spread out the concealer with that's underneath your eyeshadow, you know, the dirty ass brush that you just used. You're going to spread out this. You're going to just put a tiny dab. I already did it. But you're going to put a tiny dab and then spread it out. But not all the way. Just like to here or to like the middle. One last step with this stuff is to take a little bit on that same dirty ass brush.
right on your brow bone area.
Now you're going to take that same bright ass orange
Brush.
actually you off the palette used to do your whole lid with, and whatever is left over on that brush, just like look up and go underneath your lashes like that. You are going to take your old eyeshadow brush and you are going to dip it into the, you're going to look into a mirror again and you're just going to like cut a line that way. For the longest time, I thought that was just some like bougie thing that people did.
It ain't no thing but a chicken wing.
This beauty blender and just spread down. So next you're going to,
what do I do next?
you're going to take whatever powder that you have that is close at all remotely to your skin tone, and you're just going to put it everywhere. This guy. He's pointed and fluffy. You're going to take this bronzer that is way too dark for you. You're going to barely tap it and then shake it all off.
Because, you know, we love to waste makeup.
And then blow it just to make sure you didn't get all of it already off. And the hard way, that no matter how light you tap it, you will still get the product on the brush. And a lot of it, for sure, if you don't shake it.
We still stand her.
Okay, and then you're going to want to do your neck. Because normally I would have setting spray, but I don't know where that is. So, and we're done. So, oof, blush. we're not done. I lied. With this blush that you got in your Ipsy bag months ago.
For free. Or for your $10 rate, whatever.
You're gonna take this foundation brush, because why not? And you're gonna dab it on there. Okay, now you're done with that. Then take your hair down.
That you've so freshly dyed orange.
And find a brush. I'm gonna brush out your hair and do whatever you want to it. If I want my bangs, I do my bangs. Yeah, I think now that I'm a redhead, I'm not gonna do bangs ever again. You know what? I just brush them back and